Hey guys, it's Miss Rodriguez. If you are struggling with joining our Google Classroom or any of your classes' Google Classroom, I'm going to show you in this how-to video how you can access Google Classroom and how to join a class. So, real simple, if you don't already have the Fort Worth ISD portal saved to your webpage, that's fine. All you have to do is go to Google and type in Fort Worth ISD class link portal. Okay, the very first thing that pops up, my Fort Worth ISD portal launchpad class link, that is the one that you need to get to. So I'm going to click on that. Now I've already logged into someone's email that I'm using. I'm actually using my fiance's email. He also works for the district. He might stop by sometime, so you will probably meet him. But you are looking for this app, this icon that looks like a little chalkboard. You're going to click on this icon. It says Google Classroom. That is where we need to go. And it should bring you to a page similar to this. You might have some past classes in here. If you want to get rid of old classes, you can just hit archive and it clears those away. So that way you can make room for your new classes. So that way you don't get all jumbled. So to join a class, you go to this plus sign. You click Join Class, and then it's going to ask for a class code. The way you find that class code is from my website, which you should have been given access to. So my website is posted on the DHJ website. So when you go to my website, it looks like this. There's me. Up at the top, you have Google Classroom Info. You click that. And then you can scroll down and there are class codes by your period. So if you are in period 2, do not put in the class code for period 3. If you're in period 6, do not put the class code in for period 2 because then you won't be in the right class, which means it'll make it very hard for us to grade and things like that. So if you are in my period 2, what you do is you go and you copy that code, and for our purposes here I'm only going to show you period 2, but again you would just copy any of these codes that match your period. I'm going to go back to this class code, I'm just going to paste it, and then it'll light up blue, which means that the code is correct. I can join, and then from there, it might take a second, bada boom, bada bing, you are now in our Google Classroom. So I'm going to stop the video there. There will be more videos walking you through what you see here in front of you, but that is how you join our Google Classroom. Thanks guys.